Yes, now good afternoon, my people. Now paper review we want to talk about this afternoon. We deal with Guardian and the Guardian newspaper. Now they check this afternoon. Say GDP defy inflation shock as more Nigerians take informal jobs. Check that thing for the Guardians. You will see them for there. Then we will go to Punch. The Punch newspaper they talk about. They say FG plans more troops as SEP spread to northeast. All this wahala don't do too much. We are talking about Boko Haram and what they call them bandit. Now another SEP don't they come out again. That's another problem. Problem when we're supposed to look to. Then state tackle NNPCL over extra 1 trillion subsidy payment. Labour protest NBS drop in unemployment rate report. All this one you will see them all for Vanguard newspaper. Now we will go. The Punch newspaper. Now to Vanguard. Vanguard newspaper they talk about OPay. OPay say we are beyond banking. OPay talk say they are beyond banking. You know see what they talk, and I agree with them in total. They are beyond banking. Where most of the Nigeria bank they frustrate us last time. Say now OPay will they use. Everybody fall back to OPay. Everybody they use their money points. So they are beyond banking, and I agree with them totally. GDP growth figures, more work needs to be done. That is the president. Now they talk that one. No. Federal government, FGF to NAS. We borrowed based on your approvals. Now FG they talk that one. No. Now we go to News Direct. News Direct they talk about Nigeria's GDP growth by 3.46%. When you get you never read newspaper today, check News Direct. You will see all this in there. Then you will see why FG is still borrowing despite increase in revenue. So go to News Direct, check page WhatsApp man. Check page 3 there. You will see the this thing there. Then the Tribune, it says Senator query FG's borrowing. Tinubu minister justify plans. So go check the Tribune. Then check page 3. You will see the details of this thing when they talk. So now FCTA releases list of CFO defaulters in Abuja. Now wow, wahala don't come. If you know say you dey for Abuja and you get the FCTA, they don't release the list of CFO. So if you know say you get land for Abuja and you be defaulter, go pay. You know say Baba went there for there, so they look back when you want to do something. So go and do the needful because you get money when I come by. Now over 1 million violent crime perpetrated against women in 2023. That's UNODC. Now let's talk this news. So this one come talk. It say federal government FG committed to gender equity and advancement. That vice president and they talk that one. Our vice president and they talk that one. Now the daily trust. You say OPay in that same OPay matter. I say OPay OPay say they are beyond banking. Now they agree with them. They are beyond banking. True. They better pass many. In fact, they don't better pass on this bank one with the bank with. So now I say villagers feel as gunmen kill many in Benue State. This Benue wahala, they too much. Killing for Nigeria, don't too much. I beg. if you know say where you dey no dey safe, always look for a safer area to stay. Now see wetin happen for Benue. Now people dey run scatter. Now for sports, while Oshola was left out of France na for friendly game wey dey do. So check that check sports, you will see that news for there. Then we have the first news. The first news say finance minister push for more loans despite surging revenue. So go check that newspaper. They call am First City. Why I avoided having a boyfriend. Wesley University best graduating student. Now they talk this one. Say the reason why he be no get boyfriend when he dey school. Now we come for the blueprints. The blueprints in they talk about borrowing. Say we borrow based on your approval. FGT Nash. Port Harcourt Warri Refinery to be fully privatized presidency. So make it work first, because na the thing when everybody dey pray make the refinery work, because every day they tell us say the refinery will work today, it will work tomorrow. Now make I take you to business day. Business days is say service industry, agric, fuel, Nigeria growth in that's Q3. So all this one you will see them for all this newspaper when I talk now. So there I carry my ogbonge news for newspaper update or newspaper headline today reach. We will catch you all ourselves tomorrow in the afternoon, same time,